In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys 5 ultimate Shopify checkout hacks that you guys can utilize and implement on your Shopify dropshipping store. What's going on, guys? Yash here. Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is absolutely having a great week and a great day. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you already haven't, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking below and turn on your post notification bells. And last but not least, please do drop a like on this video. I would very much appreciate it so YouTube can reach as many people as possible. So as you guys can see, guys, I'm going to be giving you guys 5 free ultimate Shopify checkout hacks that you guys can implement on your Shopify stores right now to increase your conversion rate, okay? And these 5 hacks will basically make your checkout process more seamless. It will basically prevent less abandoned carts and less abandoned checkouts, and also there will be much less confusion in your potential customer as well. So I'm going to be actually walking you guys and actually showing you on one of my old stores in terms of how you can implement these 5 hacks. Now, by the way, if you want another huge hack, which I actually incorporate with shipping on Shopify, check out that video right here, which actually shows you in terms of how I structure my shipping and basically how I apply that to increase my Shopify AOV, my average order value, okay? So definitely check out that video. Anyway, for this video, first and foremost, as you can see, this is my funnel right here. This is my checkout page where it's all, I enter all the information. You'll basically notice 2 things, right? First and foremost, I have enter your discount code here. And I have total enter discount code 10 off for 10% off today only. So why do I have enter your discount code here and this, right? It's for basically to make people realize. Now, more than likely, you probably have a pop-up that basically enables people to enter 5% or 10% off, but sometimes people miss that, or it's somewhere probably on your product page or in your header, in probably your headline or something about a discount code, but people obviously sometimes miss it, right? It's just human nature. People may not be paying attention properly. So it basically kind of reels them more in, or make sure they continue being reeled in when they're in the actual checkout process, okay, if they already did not apply that code. So what you want to do is you want to go to theme right here, and then after that, not a lot of people know this, is go to actions and edit language, okay, or edit languages. So these are basically 2-in-1 things: discount code hack and subtotal hack as well. So basically, what you want to do is go to search results or go to even checkout in system, and basically you want to filter by discount. As soon as you press discount, you want to see and try to find discount placeholder. Basically, get rid of that text and enter your discount code here with these 2 little exclamation point emojis, so people's attention does go over there. Okay, that's kind of what you want to do. And for the bottom part, you want to again search subtotal by filtering, checkout in system, checkout order summary, and over here where it says subtotal label, you want to basically enter total dash enter discount code 10 off for 10% off today. Now, depending on your store, it could be another type of discount code. I already have this discount code made on my store, and I was giving 10% off. It could be $5 off. It could be 5% off. Really kind of make sure you're structuring your offer the right way. So this, and where we go, and this right here, you basically see over here, okay? So now when people see that and they enter 10 off, right, it's urgency. It's very, very, very clear urgency. Boom, 10 off, it basically deducts $8.49. So again, it makes it very, very, very simple, and it creates that sense of urgency as well. The next hack is very simple. It's removing the powered by Shopify hack. Now, a lot of people go into the liquid code and stuff like that. You don't necessarily have to do that. You don't want to have powered by Shopify right here. More than likely, if you have a free or theme, you will have where it says powered by Shopify here. You don't want to have that. It just looks unprofessional if people do, scroll down to your actual footer. And to get rid of that, all you have to do is basically type in powered, and basically it'll say powered by Shopify, and all you have to do is press a space bar. Okay, just press a space bar, just leave it like that, and then you can obviously click save right here. That's what you can basically do to get rid of that completely. Next is payment info hack and complete order button hack. These kind of go hand in hand together, and they are very, very, very neat tools. So I'm just going to enter my information really quickly, guys, and I'll be right back. So after I press continue to shipping right here on the previous page, basically over here I have continue to payment info. That's what I have. Okay? And that is a payment info button hack. So how you want to do that is type in or filter by continue to payment, checkout in system, checkout general, continue to payment method. Then you want to have continue to payment info instead, and you want to have this little truck right here. What's the difference between method and info? It's just a little bit less aggressive, okay? Obviously, people are paying for it. They're aware of that as a potential customer, but instead of method, you want to put information, like, you're giving their information willingly as a potential customer. Okay, so that's what you want to do, and people's attention will also be getting drawn to the emoji as well, so people don't basically leave from this page and they don't, hence or thus abandon the initiated checkout basically. By the way, just a very quick little tip. I know a lot of people don't have their logos in the entire checkout process. Make sure you have your logo right here in the entire checkout process. You don't want to miss out on that. If you don't import your logo, it will basically just say the text, and that just basically throws people off. It is very, very, very unprofessional. Okay, so again, my entire other video that I was talking to you before, based on the shipping, this is that hack right here. But I literally go into that video a little bit more deeper in terms of how to set this up and how to basically, make advantage or basically make use of it. So again, that's a whole nother different topic. So continue to payment info. That's kind of what we want to do. Okay. And guys, the last hack is, and this does make a difference, guys, okay, because it is guiding the potential customer. It makes it easier on the mind and also easier on the eye as well. It is guiding the customer. Obviously, this is not a make or break, but it does increase your conversion rate, and it does, again, lessen the abandoned carts and abandoned checkouts. It's complete order button hack. So as you can see, once basically someone enters their information, whether it be by Stripe or PayPal, instead of where it says pay now, it says complete order. And you can see that right here, complete order. You can also use like a little bit of like a greenish or more lighter check mark as well, depending on what your color is. But it doesn't basically say pay now. And all you have to do is type in pay now over here in filters, pay now button label, and just change it to pay order or complete order. Again, this will make it less aggressive, and again, it's more willingly like, oh, pay now. You know what? I don't want to spend $76. Even if I got the discount code. But if it's order complete or complete order, oh, you know what? I'm going to be done with my order. Let me just complete it, and I'm going to get the actual product. So again, guys, sales is very much psychology. You have to tap into people's psychology. So again, all this is guiding people. It is making it more seamless. It is making it more easier for the actual potential customer. Now, don't forget, everything else also has to be aligned. To get to this actual process, your ad has to be good. Well, first and foremost, your product has to be good, your offer has to be good, your ad has to be good, and your landing page has to be good, okay? Those are the things that actually really, really matter. But this is kind of once you've guided that customer past that journey and have gotten it really deep into your funnel, right? This is once your customers actually kind of the last stage of your actual funnel, okay? So again, guys, please do drop a like if these hacks did help. Again, watch my video in terms of shipping and how I basically use that as a checkout hack and also to increase AOV as well. That video should be somewhere right here. Anywho, guys, I hope this really helped. I wanted to make this video very straightforward and very quick. So I hope you guys got some value, especially for those of you guys that were beginners. And lastly, guys, please do join my free Facebook group, Ecom Masterminds. I will leave a link to that in the description below. We're almost crossing 2,500 members. And other than that, I will also leave all the links to my social media accounts so you guys can stay connected with me. Any thoughts, any questions, any concerns, please do drop them in the comments below, because I do reply to everyone at all times. With that being said, guys, again, I really hope this helped. Please do drop a like and comment for the final and last time you want to see other quick informational videos like this. And with that being said, I will check you guys out soon. Peace.